Smart home financing begins with expert advice. Start your mortgage journey at richmondcustomhomes.com. Credit challenges don't mean homeownership is out of reach. Credit restoration focuses on improving your credit profile by correcting errors, reducing debt impact, and building stronger credit habits over time. Even small improvements can open the door to better loan options and lower interest rates. With the right plan and guidance, buying a home can still be within reach. For more information, contact Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647, call 804-212-8663, email Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com, or visit richmondcustomhomes.com.